Welcome to Vacation Tracker for Slack. In this video, we'll show you how to request a leave. You can request leave through the bot or through the online dashboard. Let's start with the online dashboard, which is accessed by going to app.vacationtracker.io. On the left side navigation menu, you have the option to request leave or add leave for someone other than yourself and add leave for yourself that does not require approval. To request leave, use the first form. On the request section, select the type of leave you want. In our case, we're gonna select conference. And then, select the start and end date for your leave request. Let's select from the 22nd to the 24th of December. On here, you have the option to add a reason if necessary. Once done, simply click Request Leave. The request will be sent to the approver of your department. And you will receive a notification as soon as the request has been approved or denied. If you're an approver, you can also add leaves for your department team members by using the Add Leave form. As mentioned, on this form you can add leave for another user or add leave for yourself that doesn't require approval. To add leave for another user, simply select one of the users from the drop-down menu. Let's take Bart Simpson. On the request section, select the leave type you want to add. Then proceed with adding the dates of the leave request. Once done, add a reason if necessary. When everything looks good, click Add Leave. And that's it, you've successfully added leave for Bart Simpson. Please keep in mind, you must be an approver of the department the user is part of in order to add leave for the user. Welcome to the Vacation Tracker bot. To start a chat with Vacation Tracker, type /vacation and press Enter. A form will appear, allowing you to request leave, check your leave status, view more options and open dashboard. Let's start by requesting leave. Click Request Leave and a form will appear letting you submit a leave request. On here, select the leave type you wish to take. Select the start and end date of your leave request. Add a reason if necessary and click Send Request. The request will be sent to your approver and you will receive a notification when a decision has been made. If you have some additional questions, check out our website, our Helpdesk, or reach out to us at hello@vacationtracker.io. Thank you.